Does YouTube TV support 4K? Yes, YouTube TV supports 4K streaming, but this feature requires the 4K Plus add-on subscription. This add-on enhances the viewing experience with ultra-high definition video and additional benefits. Number 1. Features of 4K streaming on YouTube TV. 4K resolution. Access live and on-demand content in 4K Ultra HD for sharper and more detailed visuals. Availability of 4K content depends on the channel and program. Offline viewing. Download select content to watch offline on mobile devices. Unlimited streams. The 4K Plus add-on allows unlimited simultaneous streams on your home Wi-Fi network. Number 2. Requirements for 4K streaming. Step number 1. Subscribe to 4K Plus add-on. Add the 4K Plus add-on to your YouTube TV subscription for an additional monthly fee. Step number 2. Use a compatible device. Devices that support 4K streaming include smart TVs, streaming devices like Roku Ultra, Chromecast Ultra, and Apple TV 4K, gaming consoles like Xbox Series X and PlayStation 5. Step number 3. Stable internet connection. A strong internet connection is required, at least 25 megabytes per second for smooth 4K streaming. Number 3. Channels offering 4K content. Select channels such as ESPN, NBC, and Fox offer live and on-demand programming in 4K. Availability of 4K content may vary by location and channel. Limitations to consider. Content availability. Not all programs or channels are available in 4K. Extra cost. The 4K Plus add-on comes with an additional fee beyond the standard YouTube TV subscription. Hardware requirements. Older devices may not support 4K streaming. In conclusion, YouTube TV offers 4K streaming through its 4K Plus add-on, providing a premium viewing experience for compatible devices and supported content. This feature is ideal for those seeking enhanced picture quality and additional streaming benefits.